What if you could start an automated AI-powered business this year without holding inventory, without manually building an online store, and with AI doing most of the work for you? Of course, there's some work, and I'm going to tell you what needs to be done. This platform is a dropshipping platform where you can find a lot of different products to basically sell from the US warehouse to the US consumers. So it's dropshipping not from China, it's dropshipping from the US. Most of these products are in the US warehouses physically that you can basically sell, resell to US consumers, avoiding many of the problems that dropshipping typically has, which is slow shipping, bad customer service, and stuff like that. So dropshipping basically means you sell products online without holding inventory. And as you can see, there are multiple different categories. For example, you have TikTok shop selection, you have Temu selection, okay? Click on these goggles, okay? These goggles for skiing, right? They're 51, 58, okay? And what you can effectively do is you can basically list it to your store. Then, if you basically sell it through your store, then Doba will ship it straight to your client, and you can, of course, have a much higher price than this in your store. I'm going to show you how to do that. So, basically, what effectively happens is, like I said, when customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. Your job is mainly marketing your store. Now, a lot of the things that Doba can do is product research, store creation, pricing optimization, and order automation. So I'm going to show you how the back end of this actually looks like. So I'm going to now log in and show you the back end of this, okay? Now, so instead of running this business manually, it's basically about running it with AI. Now, creating a store is fairly simple. So you click on stores, and traditionally setting up a store could take a lot of time, okay? But with Doba, it's actually not that difficult. So what you can effectively do, and the easiest way to basically do it, is just click build a store with AI, okay? It's integrated with a lot of different providers, okay? So you can choose, for example, Shopify, and you choose what you want the store to sell. So let's say we're looking at the pets category, okay? Choose one of these, choose the team, next. Well, you need to basically register on Shopify, okay? So once you register on Shopify, you can basically progress, okay? Put the URL and you go live. But I'm going to show you how it looks like, assuming you've already done that. So once the storefront is there, okay, then what you can also do, you can add other marketplaces as well. So you can add eBay, you can add TikTok Shop, you can add Walmart, Wix, Temu, Amazon, WooCommerce, Square, Shift for Shop, and stuff like this. Now, once you actually have a store, you can add a name of the store, okay? Then you can start adding products to your store. So this is how it's gonna look like, okay? So you can add different kinds of products in your store. Now, with that in mind, you can actually open up and see how it looks like, okay? So this is what, somebody would actually be able to buy. Okay, and you can change prices here as you want. Not only it can automatically generate your storefront, create product pages with descriptions. Here, for example, there's images there, okay, and some of the products will have more descriptions, other products will have less descriptions, okay? It really depends on the product. It's gonna have the names as well and stuff like that. It will also optimize it for conversions and even suggest pricing strategies based on similar products. So instead of staring at a blank screen, you start with ready-to-go store that already looks professional. What I like about this approach is speed. You can go from idea to live store with a fraction of the time that normally it would take if you're not using Doba. Now, what is really important as well is obviously choosing the right products. This is where most beginners fail because they guess instead of using data. And Doba's AI Picker changes that. Now, if I click on AI Tool Hub, there is a lot of new AI tools, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I showed you AI store builder. Now I'm going to show you AI product picker. So instead of randomly picking products, AI picker analyzes market trends, demand signals, competition levels, and potential profit margins. I can choose different categories, okay, assuming I want to, for example, do this category, okay. Basically, it recommends products that already show signs of working in the market. For example, let's say the system identifies trending home gadget, okay. Let's go to this category. Instead of spending hours researching competitors and guessing pricing, AI Picker gives you a starting point with data behind it. So I want to go on high profit, okay? And now let's see what it's going to do. As you can see, it already shows me a bunch of different products, okay? And I can add them straight to the store. What's very interesting is not only I can add it, but I can also click on the product and see more details. I can see the price, I can see the shipping details, I can see the descriptions and stuff like that, and I can add it straight to my store. Now it's going to be added into my inventory, which is absolutely amazing. Think of it like data-driven assistant that filters out bad ideas before you waste time on them. And it's going to give you the recommendations, and you can chat and ask for more info from it. So once your store is live and products are selected, the next challenge is typically operations. This includes order fulfillment or inventory tracking and supplier coordination. This is where a lot of people get overwhelmed because, especially when orders start coming in, if you're not dropshipping, if you're selling them from your house or warehouse, that's a lot of work. But actually with Doba, it's dropshipping, so it's an automated way to sell because they actually do the fulfillment. Also, Doba Pilot helps you with a lot of this information and with a lot of this stuff too. So if I click on Doba Pilot, okay, Doba Pilot acts as your automation engine. It processes orders automatically and syncs inventory in real time. So if a product goes out of stock or needs updating, the system adjusts without you constantly checking everything manually. And there's different things that it can help you with. So for example, let's try this. That's actually the kind of automation that saves time and makes this model a lot more automated and scalable. Now let's talk about growth. Once your store is running, the next step is scaling, and this is where Doba AI comes into play. Doba AI helps with product recommendations, like I said, for expansion, pricing adjustments based on performance, sales optimization insights, and even trend forecasting. Okay, so instead of guessing what to do next, you're guided by real data from your store and the broader market. For example, if one product starts performing well, Doba AI might suggest similar products, okay, or bundles you can add to increase your average order value. This is what separates a random store from a system that actually could grow over time. Now, one thing to understand is that automation doesn't mean zero effort, okay? You still need to bring traffic to your store. Once you have a storefront, right, you still need to bring in traffic, okay? That could be through TikTok organic content. A lot of people are doing that. And like I said, once you start getting orders, right, your orders will be accumulating here. Stores will be here and your products will be here. But of course, the difference is that instead of juggling 10 different tasks at once, not only generating traffic, but also dealing with fulfillment, but also having to deal with tech stuff, you can focus mainly on marketing while the backend runs smoothly on Doba. And you probably won't make sales on day one, and that's normal. It takes time. Most people need to test a few products, adjust their marketing, and learn what works. But what has changed is the barrier to entry. You don't need technical skills. You don't need weeks of setup. You don't need to do everything manually, okay? And that's what makes this approach beginner-friendly this year. So if you've been thinking about starting an online business, this is a business that you could start, one of the simplest businesses that you could start this year. If you want to check out Doba and explore their AI tools, AI Store Builder, AI Picker, Doba Pilot, Doba AI, I leave the link in the description. And thanks for Doba for sponsoring this video. And by the way, like I said, there's loads and loads of different products that you can find on Doba. Top ranking, high profit. You may want to check these to find the products that you like, and you probably want to niche down into a single niche. So take a look at Doba, explore the features, and see if it fits what you're trying to build. So if you're interested in trying out Doba, like I said, the link is going to be in the description.